Hey guys, this time we're going to solve this equation. Log base 2 of 6x minus 8 equals log base 3 of 20x plus 1. If you notice, I cannot cancel out these logs because they do not have the same base. This one has a base of 2, this one has a base of 3. So we can't get a common base in order to cancel these out. So really the only way we can do this is by using technology, using our calculators. There is a way to do it by hand. If you're interested, we can help you do that, but this is the easiest way, using our calculator. So go ahead and go to your y equals, and let's put each of these into our equations. So for the first, remember to do a log base 2. We're going to go to math and then scroll down to A. If A is not showing up in your calculator, you either have an older calculator or your calculator hasn't been updated, so you need to see your teacher about fixing that for you. If you have an older calculator, there would be a different way that you would need to type this in. So see your teacher about that. Okay, so there's the first equation. Now let's put in the second equation. Again, go to math, scroll down to A, enter log base 3 and 20x plus 1. Again, when we solve any equation, we're finding where this graph crosses this graph. We want to find where they intersect. That's the answer to this equation. That is our x value. That would be our answer. So let's check out our graph. Oh dear. Pause for a second. I have a little statistics in there. Sorry. If you ever let anyone borrow your calculator for statistics, you have to kind of make sure you're there. Zoom 6. Let's make it normal. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, there's our log, our first log in green, our second log in red. Now, the calculator doesn't really show it, but remember there is a vertical asymptote on the y-axis. So for some reason our calculators can't really process that, so it kind of chops it off. But in reality, this approaches that y-axis forever. So does the red. Just a little note. Okay, so we want to find where these two cross. So to do that, we're going to go to second trace, which is calculate, and choose number 5. Okay. So I'm not seeing my blinky thingy. I'm just going to scoot over until maybe I can see it. Oh, there he is. Okay. So I want to make sure that blinky thingy is on one of my curves. It doesn't really matter. Hit enter. Now I need to make sure it shows up on my other curve. It is. Hit enter. Let's kind of guess. Let's give the calculator the right direction. I think it's about right there. Hit enter. There we go. So our answer to this equation is right here. X equals 4. So our answer is x equals 4. So not too hard, and that would be our answer.